Welcome to the last part of Noble Gold's National Debt Series. We finally get to the bottom of it. Debt has been part of our economy for so long, we've never really questioned it or discussed it in detail. Many people think that so long as the proceeds are used to stimulate the growth of the economy in a manner that would lead to the country's long-term prosperity, then it's fine. And quite honestly, there's nothing really we can do about it. It's beyond us as investors. The only thing we can do is protect ourselves and our future and adapt. We need to make sure when things start going south, we have enough assets to protect ourselves. First, invest, and second, diversify your investments. When you invest, you're making your money work for you now to ensure your future. Keeping it in cash guarantees a loss because of inflation. We discussed that because of the structure by which our government operates, debts and inflation become unavoidable. So you have to invest in different assets and be spread out. You can open a business, stocks, bonds, retirements, crypto, and many others. I do all of them. I'm spread out all across the map. By diversifying your investment, you maximize all potential and possible sources of returns. You're also spreading out the risk, which I'm a big fan of. Third, make sure you have a hedge. While crypto and stocks may be considered risky investments, especially right now, that could win big and also lose big, you gotta have a hedge in your portfolio. Gold is the favorite hedge of many. Obviously, it's very popular right now. Why gold? Gold has an inverse relation with the market. When the market goes up, gold. When the market goes down, gold goes up. It remains steady the rest of the time. And this is being proven to be true, especially right now. As the Russia-Ukraine crisis escalates, billionaires and central banks, including Russia's own central banks, are buying gold as insurance. Think about that. It has no counterparty risk. Unlike other assets, gold will never go bankrupt, and it is scarce. All the gold ever mined in the world may only fit in 2.5 Olympic-sized swimming pools. It's rarer than diamonds. The world is desperate for it, and people are making plans to mine it even on an asteroid. 4, it cannot be overprinted or overproduced. It takes a literal astronomical event for gold to form. Earth cannot produce it. Number 5, its industrial uses are maturing. Aside from being used on phones, computers, data servers, cars, dentistry, coins, and jewelry, it is being used to cure cancer and other chronic diseases and even help produce oxygen on Mars. It remains a global currency. Gold, go to any country in the world and gold will be just as valuable there as it is here. It is valuable in and of itself. It doesn't need the market to trade for it to have value. Its very nature, and the world needs it just because it's valuable. It's already valuable. Number 8, it's irreplaceable. One of the things people are finding out about gold that they can't have a world without gold. When you find replacement for other precious metals, you can, but no other metal can replace gold for the function it's designed to do. Example, platinum and palladium are sometimes interchangeable, but gold's function in cell phones and computers is not. No other precious metal can do that. So look into gold. Now, we always encourage people to consult their financial advisor, but when it comes to physical gold, if you want the real thing, you gotta use someone that does that. That's us. That's Noble Gold Investments. We have live people waiting on the phone right now, here in the US, to answer your questions. And don't worry, no pressure. We're never gonna force anyone to buy gold. It's not the way we do business. We're gonna answer questions, you're gonna talk to people, it's gonna be a friendly environment. So call us, 877-646-5347. That's 877-646-5347. If you're still intimidated and you just want to look at our guide and you don't want to talk to anybody, which is totally fine, go to noblegoldinvestments.com. There's a free guide there. Get all the information you need.